Hello, this is Mr. No, and today we will be doing adding and subtracting fractions. So, a fraction is a part of a whole. In other words, it's not exactly an entire number, it's just a part of it, like a decimal. You can convert fractions into decimal just as you can convert decimals into fractions. In a fraction, there is two parts: a numerator, the part of the whole, and the denominator, the whole itself. For example, you can take a fraction such as 2/3. The numerator would be 2 and the denominator would be 3. Here below we have some examples. Our first example is 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3 or 1. So this one I only showed because it was our first one and I want to explain it nice and well. So I'm going to move it up a little bit. So, how I came up with this answer. In adding, you do not add up the denominator, you only add the numerator. That's how I got 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then we keep the denominator the same, so it's 3/3 or 1, because there's 3 into 3 there's 3 pieces of the 3, so that's 1. Let's look at our next example. Wait, let me move it. And here's our answer for this one. So I'm only going to show answers for these, for the first two, just so I can again explain. So here we have 3 over 131 plus 100 over 131. How did I get 103 over 131? I did 3 plus 100. That's simple. 103 over 131. Now I'm not going to show the answer for the next example. 7/9 minus 1/9. Which pretty much is as simple as adding decimals, except you're subtracting the numerators. So the denominator again stays the same, and you subtract the numerator. So you should get 6/9 or 2/3. Our next situation or problem, let me move it up just a bit more. It is 23 over 36 minus 21 over 36. So once again, you just subtract the numerator and you should get 2 over 36 or 1 over 18. Now here's a bit different. The denominators have changed, but the numerators are same. So we have 2/3 plus 2/6. So you would just convert 2/6 into a third, so you get 1/3, or you can convert 2/3 into 6ths, which would give you 4/6. In all, you would get 3 over 3 or 1. Next, we have 6 over 262 plus 100 over 131. Once again, if you convert the 100 over 131 into 200 over 262, you should get 206. Or you could get 103 over 131. Now you can sense this pattern. I'm copying the first 3 examples and just changing it a little bit. We have 7/9 minus 3 over 27. You convert the 3 over 27 into something else, which you could, or which I would personally think is easier, I would convert the 7/9 into 7 times 3, which would give you 21, and 9 times 3, which should give you 27. 21 plus 3 equals 24. 24 over 7, 24 over 27, or 6/9 or 2/3. So that is adding and subtracting fractions. It is quite simple, just a little bit tricky. Just remember that you always want the denominator to be the same and the numerators can change. Have a good day. If you have any comments, please leave it in the comments section below, or questions.